Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So .NET is missing Windows 11. So how to install and how to show how to solve problem. So guys, click to start button and type CON means control panel and open the control panel. Uninstall the program and turn Windows feature on or off. Okay, so recently I checked, so in your system like this and like this uncheck, so you can check, tick and okay. Okay, then close. Second step, guys, I am giving you command for fix your problems. Start button, click start button, type cmd and run administrator. Yes, LODCTR space slash R. Okay, then guys you install manually. Okay, and then restart system. 100% solve your problem. Okay, have any issues, so please comment me, I quickly support.